Alright, Assalamu alaikum. We'll be going over how to use the Wehr dictionary in this video. So, for class, you need to download the Wehr dictionary for sure because we use it in class multiple times. So, on your phone, search up in the App Store, search up Wehr. So, just like how it's written right here. Search it up and download it. And yeah, we'll have to use that. So, how to use this? So, it has a search function. So you just go in there and write in the root letters for the Arabic word. So let's say we want to search up kharaja. So you type in kha, ra, and where'd it go? Right, yeah, kha, ra, and jim. Yep. Right, and it'll take us to a page, and in this page we need to find kharaja because it doesn't directly highlight it. So find it right here, kharaja. So now for this word, we know that since it says kha and then ra and then ja, that all three letters have a fatha on it, right? So we would know that for the base families, if you wanted to figure out the category that it belongs to, you would know that it's either nasara, fataha, and daraba. It can't be samiya because the meme has a kasra on it, right? The second letter has kasra on it. It can't be hasiba because the second letter has a kasra on it, and it can't be karuma because the second letter has a dhamma on it. So we know it belongs to the top two, these three, right? But how do we figure out which one it actually belongs to? So right after kharaja, you have a U, and the U indicates a dhamma for the present tense. So what does this mean? So you would go into nasara yansuru. So you know how the second last letter has a dhamma on it? So that's what the U is indicating to. The second last letter on the imperfect tense, so on the present tense. So for example, for fataha, you have yaftahu. The second last letter has a fatha on it, and that in the dictionary is indicated by an A. So if you had an A, you would know that it falls into this. And for daraba yadribu, the kasra is indicated by an E. So if there was an E here, you would know it falls into that category. So now that we know that it falls into nasara yansuru, what about the masdar? So the masdar is written right here in brackets, right? It says khurujun, right? And this is completely different from nasran because the masdar doesn't have an actual pattern. Just the only way you'll be able to know it is by looking it up in the dictionary. So how would you translate this? So you have kharaja, so he left, yakhruju, he is leaving, and khurujun, which is to leave. So now let's say we want to look at another word, salima. So search it up, and yep, so sin lam mim, right? Okay. Alright, so now I pulled up this page, we find salima here, so it's right here. Alright, so it's salima. So you know the first letter has a fatha on it, the second letter has a kasra on it, and then the third letter has a fatha on it. So we look into our base families chart, find out which pattern does that. So it can't be nasara, fataha, daraba because all of them have fatha on it, on the letters. And then you have samiya and hasiba. Just like salima, the middle letter has a kasra on it. So we know that it falls into either samiya or hasiba. So now to further figure out which category it actually falls into, look at the letter beside it. So it has an A, so you check the present tense. So you have Samiya, Yasma'u. So the second last letter on this, it has a fatha on it. So the fatha is indicative of an A. So we know that it falls into this instead of Hasiba, Yahsibu. If this had an E on it, you would know it's Hasiba, Yahsibu, but it's not. Alright, and then for the masdar is going to be different again. So for this word, it's salamatun, and then there's also salam. So it has two masdars. So some words have two masdars, and yeah, you just figure out the masdar again by looking it up in the dictionary. Right, so how would we translate this? So it would be Salima, he is safe. No, I mean he was safe, sorry about that. And then Yaslamu, he is safe. And then Salamatun or Salamun, meaning to be safe. Right, now let's say we wanted to put this into a different pattern. Let's say we want to put in base family 2. So to figure out if it even falls into base family 2, you need to find the Roman numeral in here. So you find Roman numeral 2 here, and it says to preserve. So that means Salaman would be to preserve. And then if you wanna check what other families it belongs to, you look through this and see that, oh, there's Roman numeral 3. So if you want to put it on Roman numeral 3, then that becomes Salama, which is to make peace or to make up, right? And yeah, and then this also falls into base family 4, which is Aslama. So you would say Aslama, because that's literally the same word. And that's to forsake, to leave. And yeah, that's basically how you use the Hunter dictionary. Do you want to add anything?
No, not that I remember.
Okay.